In order to make it easier for building modular stuff, you can use pivots and attractors. Pivots allows you to have your own pivot anywhere in your prefab. Attractors allows you to attract the pivots to snap with them. This is gonna make modular building much easier. So let's start. First of all, you need to open your prefab. Go to the root object and right-click it. Select the prefab brush menu, pivot and attractors, and create a pivot. Now you can place the pivot anywhere you want. A good tip is to use the V key so you can snap the transformer with any vertex. Now we should make this pivot be attracted to an attractor called stairs. I'm also gonna use the same game object to add attractor to it. I'm gonna call this attractor stairs so the pivot will be attracted to it. Now I'm gonna change the radius to make it easier to snap with. I also want a new attractor and pivot in the top of the stairs, so it's gonna make easier for me to place it. Now let's open Prefab brush. Change the pivot mode to the custom pivot, so we can use our attractor now. And now, as you can see, our new stairs is being snapped to the other stairs, making it much easier to build levels.